Hello, I'm Bram Stolk and welcome to part 2 of the Bell Howell lens video. So in part 1 we tackled the 3 front elements, and now I've also rehoused the 2 rear elements, and I have a complete lens. So what does it look like? PLA plastic clamped with nylon bolts, and yeah, this is the whole thing. So to be honest, I had my doubts it would work rehousing, because it's so easy to make a mistake. There are 5 elements in there. I measured it, the distances, rounded to the nearest millimeter, and in the back of my mind I was thinking, might not be precise enough. I might have screwed up the spacing or the ordering of the lens or the elements or the orientation, but I kept at it. It was a lot of hard work, especially because I had to drill out the rusted retaining rings. And when I mounted this on my Abracam, lo and behold, it actually worked. I got a sharp image out of it, and I'm super stoked that this lens experiment, it worked. So this is a rehoused Bell & Howell 36-inch aerial reconnaissance lens from the US Air Force, and now it gets a new life as an ultra large format lens. So yeah, mission accomplished.